you've been tuning in. What's up? What's good? What's tea? Welcome back. As I can tell from the title, I will be doing my go-to, my favorite nude lips. So it's like an ombre with the brown liner and the nude in the inside, and then it's glossy. It's just extra. So I pair this lip combo with everything. It doesn't matter, work, school, date, running errands, like no matter where you go, you can literally wear this lip combo, except when it's windy. Your hair is down and your hair will get all in the gloss. That's when you should wear a matte lip. But any other time, you can wear summer, winter, fall, spring, all that. It's like, it's just perfect. Subscribe if you haven't not. Turn on your post bell notifications. Hit that bell. Give me a thumbs up. Share. Comment any videos or content that you guys want to see down below. And now we can get started. So if you want to see my favorite lip combinations, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start with a paper towel, and it just has a little bit of oil and a little bit of water on it, and I'm literally just gonna just like see all that makeup. From when you do your foundation, you get foundation all over your lips. Well, at least I do. So we definitely want to remove that because it will change the color of whatever you put on them. I don't know what's going on with my lighting, or like why my highlight on my forehead looks so bright, but girl, we just gonna move along. So I start off with lining my lips, and honestly you can use any shade of brown. I typically go in with 3. So my favorite lip liners to use in there, because they're so good and they're so affordable, are the NYX lip liners. But to keep it 100 with y'all, every time I go into the beauty supply or Walmart or Target or wherever I'm getting it from, I never look to see if it says lip or eye. So I have so many like brown eye pencils that I just use on my lips. Girl, it's whatever. They work. They both work. So I have 3 different lip pencils, if you will. They're 3 different browns. So I have a light brown, a medium brown, and a dark brown. Honestly, these have different undertones. Like the light brown is more red, and then the medium and the dark are more cool tone. These actual colors are, the lightest one is an eye pencil and it's light brown. The medium one is medium brown. The dark brown is an Expresso. So these are my 3 colors. So what I go in first is with the medium brown, and I'm just gonna line my lips regularly, like just following the shape of my lips. And if you don't line them perfectly with this first color, it's 100% fine, because there's more colors. Like you can clean it up with the other ones. So I just make sure that it's nice and even. Then I go in with my darkest color, which is Expresso. And now I'm going to overline my lips. Don't judge me. Please do not judge. This is a judgment-free zone. This is what I like to do. So I'm doing it. Okay. So I'm going to overline, but not too much. Some people, they go overboard. It's just literally a little bit. And then I also do the top. And I really accentuate my corners. You definitely want to make sure that both sides are even. Okay, so now once you have the darkest shade and your lips are overlined, you're going to go in with your lightest shade, which this is light brown. I'm going to put it just above where I placed the first color, just so that it blends a little better and it creates an ombre effect. So I'm just placing it a little bit closer to the center, right below that first shade that we put down. Okay. I like how that looks. So now we're going to go in, it's a lip plumping gloss from Sephora. It's from the Sephora collection, and it's the nude one, and it is in the shade 02. It's like a pinky nude, but it's like more on the nude side. Actually really, really pretty. So I will put a little bit of this in my center. You see how pretty that is, and it also has a plumping effect, so you'll feel it, you're a little tingly. Do I feel like it really plumps? Girl, I don't know, but it's a cute color. So if you like more of just like a nude or like a brown, this would be perfect for you. But for me, I like more like an ombre pinky nude color. I'm going to go in with my NYX Lingerie Gloss, and this is in the shade Shy. And this is again is a pinky nude, but this is more on the pink side than the Sephora than the Sephora Gloss. And this is a little bit more opaque, so I'm gonna place this in the middle. And again, you can just wear this in the center. It's just a little bit more pink. So honestly, those are my two favorite right now. I always have like a regular nude and a pinky nude. Before it was MAC, Myth, and Boy Bait. So the Boy Bait is more pink, Myth is more nude. And then I have a clear gloss that when I want to feel extra and glossy, typically when I like take pictures, I like my lips to be super glossy. And this is just a regular clear gloss by Ruby because it's Jellylicious. And this is the Mango Butter and Acai Berry. Girl, it do not smell like nothing. I mean, I guess it smells a little tropical. So then I'll put this all over. Girl, be careful with this gloss because if you put too much, it will literally like drip down the center of your lip. That's how juicy this gloss is. So it's so pretty. And it just makes my lips look so plump and nice and pretty and thick. Nah. They look really, really full. Love. So these are my go-to lip look. So more of a pinky nude and then like a regular nude. I will definitely link all of my favorite nudes and all of my favorite pinky nudes that I've been trying, just kind of like from different brands. And I will catch y'all in my next one. As always, stay beautiful. Peace. And